In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Suica card to Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and add a new or existing Suica card to your Apple Wallet. You will be able to transfer over all of your balance and it will be reflected here digitally. So to do this, open the Apple Wallet and tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. When you tap this plus sign, one of the categories is going to be transit card. This is where you will be able to find Suica and other options related to transit cards in Japan. So choose transit card, and now you will find it available under Japan. So they will be sorted by region. You can use the search function or just scroll up and down until you find it. And you will see Suica alongside other options like Pasmo and Icoca. Just choose the appropriate one. Once you select Suica, you will be guided through the process. Ride trains and buses using your iPhone or Apple Watch, add money to your card anytime, anywhere. So tap continue and follow the prompts on screen. First, you will have to select the amount. You can choose from a preset, so 1,000 yen, 3,000 yen, 5,000 yen, or enter a custom amount using the numpad. And if you have an existing card, just tap the option here, transfer existing card. Once you have set up the value accordingly, then just tap the add option at the top right. Now you will be able to transfer value if you chose that option as well. Place the card on a flat surface and rest your iPhone on the bottom half of the card, like this on the image, as shown above. Your plastic Suica card will be invalid after it has been added to the wallet, so keep that in mind. Once you do this and you add the card to a digital wallet, the plastic card will no longer be valid. So as soon as you do this, you will get this message, Express Transit Card, ready for Apple Pay. And now you can use it in conjunction with your phone to pay for your rides. All that you have to do is physically place your phone near the card reader instead of your card. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Suica card to Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.